I could sit here and talk to you for hours, Grant. I could. I would rather do that than sit at my computer all day. So what we do instead is we get everything set up to automate that stuff that you don't want to do online if you don't think you're good at that. And if you think you're good at that, then you need to hire somebody to be good at the other part. You know, whatever you're good at, latch onto that and be that person in your business, and then find somebody to handle the other parts you don't want to do, because it will pay off. I mean, I pay somebody $15 an hour. That's local. She's an agent. I pay her to help me out with certain things, and I know I don't have to worry about it. And I can then free my mind up to do other things and create more business for myself in other ways, you know. Right. And you should everybody should be doing that. You need to identify what your strength is and lean on that most, you know, and then hire somebody like myself to help you with this stuff. You know, absolutely. It might cost you a little bit. I don't charge a lot, but I don't think, because when you consider if it's spending a couple hours with me and helping me help you clean up your world, how it's going to not just free up your brain, but create more business for you. You get one extra deal out of it. You've paid for it a zillion times over. I mean, it's hard to even explain, you know, I mean, I never get anyone complaining about anything as far as what I charge, because I'm pretty cheap. But what I do believe is that you got to get in and just dive in and take it. And then it's going to be painful at first, because cleaning up your database is not fun. Nobody likes it. Nobody likes it. But I do force you into it. If you want this to go, I'm going to give you what you need to do, and I'll baby you along the way if that's what you want. But once it's set up and it's running smoothly, then you won't, everything that's coming in after today's date is going to be, wow, I don't know why I didn't do this sooner.
Right.